Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a very special unboxing. It's obviously a Chanel unboxing, and it's something that I've been seeking for, trying to find for the past several weeks, and I finally got my hands on it, and it came in today, and so I'm excited to show you all what it is. You may be able to figure out by the size of the box and when I open it the shape of the bag. And but what's most importantly is I bought this because of the color, and originally I wanted this to be a card holder because I just wanted a pop of color. So clearly it's not like black or gray or anything neutral. Again, I've been buying small bags with a pop of color to, add to my collection. And I wanted the card holder, but it was very difficult to find the card holder. And then I saw this and I instantly fell in love with it. So let me stop talking and show you what I got. This is not a true unboxing because when I first came in, I was so excited to open it and see it. So this is after the fact. I've already seen this product and I'm just showing you guys an unboxing here, wrapped nicely in the stuff bag. You might be able to see the shape already. You probably don't care for this stuff inside. So let's open. So if I hold it up like this, you may not know, but if I kind of give you the shape of it, you have a feeling of what it is. So I got it's the round clutch on chain, but in what color? Let me show you all. Dun, 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 dun. Isn't it beautiful? In this avocado green, or some people say or think it's pistachio, but it's the Chanel 19 logo, CC logo, and I'm loving the color. Not sure how many of you out there like to eat avocados. I love avocado, and because the color is this type of green, I just wanted a pop of it in my collection. So originally I did, like I mentioned, I wanted the card holder, but couldn't find it. And then this also came in a phone pouch, like long phone pouch, as well as the wallet on chain, the walk. But I found, let me just release this one to be really cute. It doesn't fit a phone or anything, but I'm sure it could fit some card holders, like the smaller ones, as well as other miscellaneous stuff that we need now, such as like hand sanitizers and everything. Let me just quickly show you the inside. I think this is where it stores the identification number or authenticity number alongside with the card. Let's see, we're still in the 30 series. Okay, and inside is also gray. This product is made in Italy, and I just love it. What do you guys all think about it? Do you like it? Is it a yay or a nay? Tell me what you guys think about this bag in the comments below. If you like this type of content, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for future videos such as this. Have a good day, everyone. Bye.